Hey everyone out there, welcome back to another episode of Uncensored Solar TV, brought to you by my team here at Solar Wolf Energy. And I want to talk to you guys today about stock valuations for renewable energy companies right now are obscene. You got SolarEdge trading at a valuation that is stratospherical. Enphase, which was just a couple of pennies not too long ago. My concern is, obviously you do want to trade on the assets the company owns, subtracting the debt, and also possible future deals that they may have in the short term. That being said, obviously we're looking at media-elect Biden here coming in office in the next week or two, but I'll say this, now it's president-elect because now it's official. President-elect Biden coming in the next near future, and obviously renewable energy is being pumped. The questions still remain, which is all of these solar companies, whether it be installers, finance companies, even manufacturers, here in the United States, we're about to face a massive tax increase for payroll tax of an additional 15%, corporate profit tax of 7% increase. Like, that's going to mean it's going to have to cut jobs, which means have to slow production, right? You can't install 700 to 1,000 installs a year if you're a solar installation company with half the staff, right? Can't do it. So, which means cutting revenue, decrease in margins, see how this plays out. So everybody throwing these lots of money at until Biden gets in office, I feel like in the near future, once he actually gets in office, it might be time to take some profits and bail out, because once he gets in office, it would appear that there's a lot on, obviously any president, incoming president, new administration, meeting with your cabinet, getting familiarized with, outgoing current things, whatever, getting brought up to speed, and then making a plan, a projection for going forward. Obviously, there's other things on the table, like the guy has, of maybe eliminating or subsidizing some student debt. I mean, there's a lot of shit already being talked about. My question is this. Where in that is the solar side of it, the wind side of it, obviously we've already got 26% in place. What more could possibly be? You have state, utility, and federal incentives. I don't see the incentives getting better. As time goes on, I think it's pretty easy to say that even if the 26% stays in place forever, obviously electricity rates will rise over time, no question, but state and utility incentives will go away entirely, which from the point of where we stand today, January 12th, 2020. In 2025, maybe 2030, there will more likely be almost no incentives, statewide or utility-wise. I mean, obviously, why would the interconnection utility side of it, why would they want to give you any incentives at all? You're taking money out of their pocket, right? Long term. So if that's the case, you're looking at a lot of things to look, there's a lot to consider. However, these renewable energy stocks are on a tear, and that's great for those of you who made money. Awesome. Those of you who shorted it, you're probably feeling pain. However, I think those of you who are shorting these renewable energy stocks, I think your payday is about to come if you held on. We'll see. I could be wrong, but it's going to be interesting to see where the market is. Obviously, history teaches us it goes up on an average of 7 to 8% every year over a wide spread, but where these companies, how many of these are going to be in business? Because as we know in the renewable energy industry, that over time most companies fail. So it'll be interesting to see. That's my point. And drop any comments below. Like what we're doing here. Have any questions, comments, or ideas? Send them to us. Subscribe. Thanks for watching another episode here, Uncensored Solar TV, brought to you by my amazing team here at Solar Wolf Energy. Cheers.